Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can easily fix on your Nokia 5 2017 that you are not receiving some text messages, SMS of course. So, at first I do recommend verifying phone number in the messages settings. And first open your app and tap these three dots at the top of your screen, top right corner. Here you have to tap settings, and here you have to go straight to the advanced here. Here, as you can see, you have phone number. Here you have to set it, if you have it to set unknown, you have to set it for your own number. Here, as you can see, I don't have the SIM card in my phone, so I will have it set to unknown. But if you have the SIM card in your phone and you have it set to unknown, you have to tap that and enter your own phone number. And now you should receive SMS. But if it didn't fix your problem, or you have it set to your number, you have to leave messages application, go to settings, and here you have to go into apps and notifications. Here you have to search for the messages app, tap this application, tap storage, and here in the storage tap clear cache. This should fix your problem, because if the cache is cleared on your application, the application is refreshed, backending without deleting your old messages, and after clearing cache, test by having someone send you an SMS. If messages were stuck, they might come through after this step. So this should help you. But if it didn't help you, the next step is reading network settings. Go back to the main menu for your settings, scroll all the way down and tap System. Here tap on Advanced, tap Reset Options, and tap the first option, which is Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Just tap that and tap Reset Settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. You'll have to pair all your devices with Bluetooth devices again, connect to your Wi-Fi networks again, and of course the mobile data will be fixed. Sometimes there's dual network configuration, which some update can cause SMS reading issues. And resetting network settings should fix all issues like SMS not arriving by re-registering your phone on the mobile network properly. This should fix your problem. Apart from that, we can go to more advanced things. So now we have to check if the SMS sender number is correct and is compatible with our carrier. At first we have to enter the phone application. Here we have to tap this dial icon and we have to dial this number. On the Nokia phones it's normal number, so yeah. Here we have to tap this star hash 4636 as I remember, and now hash star. As you can see, we are redirected to the testing section of our phone, and we have to tap phone information. Here we have to scroll down to the SMSC, and here, as you can see, I do have this empty because I don't have the SIM card. If you have here the SIM card, you should see SMSC number, and check if your number is correct for your carrier. Go just to your carrier website and check. Is it wrong or blank? Request the correct number from your carrier and update it. Then tap update here and all should be done now. Now we can exit and this should work for 100%. But if it still doesn't work, you have to now use different messaging app. It should work for you now. Try installing the Google Messages application or some other messaging app. The Google Messages are most trustworthy not some third-party applications. So try entering the Play Store, opening the search bar at the top of your screen, and here just search for the Google Messages. Here, as you can see, we do have the Google Messages from Google LLC. Tap that and install this application. Then, in your settings in your phone, set Google Messages as a default application. Sometimes the issue might be specific to the preloaded messaging application, specifically on the old Nokia phone. Using an alternative application could bypass the bug which is occurring. To set the application like the default, we have to tap Settings. Here we have to open Apps Notifications, and here we have to search for our application in the application list. Messages here. No, this is the system application, pardon me. Google Messages, where we do have Google Messages. It should be somewhere here. If you see this, I'm sorry, but I think that this is this application. So here, now we have to tap on the advanced settings, tap open by default, and here we have here opening links, other defaults. You have chosen to launch this application by default for some actions. And so, as you can see, our application, Google Messages, is now set to default. Of course, if your default application by default on your phone is this application, you have to search for some other one. For example, you can use this Samsung's one messaging application. This should fix your problem. And if every single step in this video didn't help you, you have to contact carrier. There could be an issue of how messages are routed to your number. However, since multiple Nokia 5 users reported this and fixed it via the phone settings, chances are the solution lies in the phone's configuration rather than the carrier. Foremost, ensuring the device knows its own number in the settings was the key fix. So I think that the issue is placed in your phone, but if all these fixes didn't fix your problem, you can contact the carrier, and they should fix the issue, I think so. Of course, apart from that, you can change the SIM card and replace it to another phone and check if there you receive SMS. On the other phone you should receive SMS messages, and if you don't, the contacting carrier is needed. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. It's really helpful and motivating for us. If you have some drawbacks, leave the comment. If you liked it, or if you have some questions, leave them in the comments below. I will answer these questions, all your questions. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.